So my recommendation is always start saving for yourself first and for your own retirement. And then when it makes sense, if we have extra money available, start saving money for the kids' college education. This is a little bit of when when you get on a flight and they go through all the safety procedures with you, and the flight attendant tells you to put your own mask on first before you help anybody else. That's the same thing I'd recommend to any parent, is make sure your own finances are in order first. Make sure you're taking care of yourself in your own planning. And then when we have additional income, when we have additional savings, start putting some away towards the kids. Because as a reminder, they're gonna have a lot more years to work than you are by the time they're out of college. So you need to make sure that you're gonna be in a good position for your own life before you start helping them with theirs. You can always help them out later on if you want to. You can always help them out with student loan debt. You can always pay tuition costs directly as they're getting into college. The one thing you can't necessarily do is turn their college education back into your retirement fund, because either they didn't need it, they didn't use it, or they used it all and nothing's left for you.